Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone for gaming. First, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is active in settings. Then, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding the share and PS buttons until its light bar flashes. On your iPhone, select DualShock 4 Wireless Controller from the available devices to complete the connection. While your PS4 controller is now connected to your iPhone, it's important to know that PUBG Mobile does not natively support external controllers. This means the game won't automatically recognize your controller for gameplay. The developers have not officially implemented direct controller functionality, so you cannot simply jump into a match using your paired device. To use your PS4 controller with PUBG Mobile, you'll need a third-party mapping application. These apps, like Octopus or Shooting plus V3, allow you to assign controller buttons to specific on-screen touch controls within the game. However, be aware that using these unofficial tools might go against PUBG Mobile's terms of service, potentially leading to account penalties. If you prefer a seamless controller experience, consider playing other iOS games that offer native support. Titles such as Call of Duty Mobile or Apex Legends Mobile are designed to work directly with external controllers, providing a much smoother and more reliable gameplay experience. Always check a game's description for official controller compatibility before downloading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.